Great. Now I gotta edit this in fucking Premiere. I hit the button by mistake and there's fucking... That's a zoomist outest sticking... Oh, this is a big ass fucking box. Now, 500 or so people I've blocked, so... for every 2 friends I have one shithead dumbass. But there's nothing on the back, so I don't need to show you that. What I want to show you is and I talk a lot of shit about Gundam. I have a lot of Gundams. I don't know if that's a lot. I've got about maybe 15 Gundams. I think only one perfect grade, but just looking at this box from the, just what it's of course clearly a Tomi Takada product. This is what you're getting. Yeah. And on the box, you're getting something that's already half built for you. Just looking at the box, I'm like, why? It seems like, and of course Transformer guys aren't fucking Gundamers. But, it's like a half-assed attempt to kind of draw in, or I don't know what they're, part of the fun of making a Gundam is you have to make this frame from scratch. You just get all these little plastic pieces and you fucking build it, but that's the fucking Gundamisms. If there's a verb for Gundamizing. Yeah. So I think that just, kind of like, I guess it's for, the thing costs 7,800 yen. 7,800 yen. I don't have a price on here because mine was pre-reserved. Because I got the fucking additional hooks. But I got these. I had to, pre-order it and then you get the hooks. But just looking at it, either Tomi Takada thinks Transformer fans aren't capable of making their own fucking Gundam, or yeah, it's kind of insulting. It makes the Gundamers appear more capable than a Transformer fan, which is obviously, in my case, incorrect. Fucking Gundamers. And I was giving my friend Japanese Sandman, and I was talking shit to Too Old for Toys, and his friend Wistar, I think. Just all those Gundamers who are like, oh yeah, fucking modelers, even Aussie guys. Yeah, I didn't make this product, so if I were in charge of making the product, I would have fucking said, I'm just opening this thing up for the first time here, and bam, we got a bunch of trees and shit, but the whole frame is already made. Basically, we're just getting his clothes. These external pieces that we're just going to put on him, which I guess is going to be fun, but we didn't even get to build the frame, which is fucking one of the best parts of making a Gundam, but kind of disappointed with that. I wanted to build the whole motherfucker. You get a shitload of fucking, what's this called? Spruce? Pieces on a spruce? I think that. You get a fucking manual. Looks nice. Ah, it's a pretty good manual there. And some stickers. I'm hoping stickers, or as they call them in Australia, decals. Yeah, what's the difference between a sticker and a decal or a decal? I don't know. Please tell me. Please write down on the comments what's the difference between a sticker and a decal, because I have no idea. Anal cream brought to you by Robot Adventures Anal Cream. When you need a fucking robot shoved up your ass, there's nothing like Robot Adventures Anal Cream. Yes. You know, I haven't ever used anal cream, and if I ever got an anal cream sponsor, I wouldn't even know what the fuck to do. Like that guy is sponsored by anal cream. Now, how am I gonna, what, am I gonna, just, I think what you should do if you're like a anal cream spokesperson, you should just get a big, you should hold the anal cream like in front of the camera and just get a big glob of it and just smear it on your asshole, and then just get some, like a big fucking baseball bat and just shove it like smoothly into your asshole. And if you feel like, and then, you know, if it goes in, well then fucking, that's fucking effective product right there. Now, Ruben, you haven't had much to drink, but you still talk a load of shit. Yeah. So, essentially, I talk shit all the time because it's amusing. And I think you guys are amused by my shit talking. And the masochists, the people who hate me, are also amused by my shit talking. Apparently, because that's why they will fucking continue to watch this shit, because they're hypocritical sacks of shit. Yeah, I'm thinking. So let's take this. Japanese packaging with a bunch of tape. I don't know why we needed all that tape. Half of it's Optimus Prime. You know what? They never made a. You know what I'm gonna do after this video? I'm probably gonna do this maybe 3 or 4 videos. I'm going to get the conversion fucking trans-scanning Optimus and show you him compared the frame, because they also fucked us on the trans-scanning. You know, they just give us parts and put it together, and a lot of chromey shit there. And what, we're Transformer fans are too stupid to be able to fucking put this thing together? Is that what they're saying? Because if that's what they're saying, then I feel insulted, and you fucking Gundamers, you are superior to Transformer fans. Ugh, it hurts to say that. Like the molding, not very, wow. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to go do a whole video on just reviewing the frame. Alright, I'm gonna post this up. These are the first 2 parts. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Alright, bye bye.